हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द क्लास 5। यह आपकी ईवीएस की बुक जिसका नेम है अपना परिवेश। इसके आप 3 चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। आज हम इसका न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, जिसमें आपको मैं इस चैप्टर की रीडिंग कराऊंगी, जो आपको भी मेरे साथ साथ करनी है। और अगर आपके पास बुक्स आ गई हैं, आप बुक्स ले आए हो, तो आप इसको घर पर अपनी बुक में डायरेक्ट रीड कर सकते हो। ओके, सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग नाउ। आज मैं आपको ये चैप्टर बिल्कुल भी नहीं समझाऊंगी, यानी बिल्कुल भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूँगी, सिर्फ रीडिंग करेंगे हम आज। चैप्टर नेम है लेट्स क्लीन टुगेदर, यानी चलो हम सब साथ साथ मिलकर सफाई करते हैं। इन आवर स्कूल ऑन 2 October वी वर सेलिब्रेटिंग गांधी जयंती। ऑन दैट डे cleanliness was being carried out all over the country under the Clean India Mission. Cleanliness campaign program was also started in the school. Ganga participated with full enthusiasm. After the completion of cleaning work, Ganga noticed that the school was looking very beautiful. Ganga went home and told her mom about her day and cleanliness program in school. She promised her mom that she would also help her clean the house. ये देखिए पिक्चर है, पीपल क्लियरिंग अ रोड। ये लोग मिलकर सफाई कर रहे हैं रोड की। और नीट एंड क्लीन स्कूल, एकदम साफ सुथरी स्कूल है। थिंक एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग। Clean India mission must have been run in your school also. You contribute in what type of work? Make a list. What did you experience by participating in this mission? After working under Clean India mission, what changes have you made your habits? पेज नंबर 2, यानी इसका अगला पेज देखिए। One step towards cleanliness. Clean India Mission is a campaign started by the Government of India on a national level. The main aim of this mission is to clean the roads, streets and public places of our country. This campaign was launched on 2 October 2014 on Gandhi Jayanti. After few days, when Ganga went to school, she saw that there was a heap of garbage on the street in her locality. She didn't like it. As she reached school, she discussed this matter with her classmates. Ganga told them that we keep our school houses etc. clean, but the streets are so dirty. What is the use of such cleanliness? Meanwhile, Harish interrupted and said, "But this work is not ours. What can we do on this regard?" Points for discussion. Maintaining cleanliness on roads, streets, colonies, etc. is also our responsibility or not? What is the reason for accumulation of dirt and garbage in the colonies and streets? What efforts can we make to maintain cleanliness in our colonies and roads, etc.? Explore and answer the following. Who does the cleaning work in our locality? What do they do with the waste collected by them and where do they take it? What difficulties they have to face during this work? Think and answer these. If the garbage laying around your school or home is not cleaned continuously for 1 week, what will happen? Things to do. Make a list of those things that can be reused from garbage discharged from your home. Next page. Take some reusable items like paper, cardboard, bags, etc. and make some useful things. For example, making a dustbin from an emptied packaging cardboard, making dusters, ropes and carpets from the old clothes, making decorative articles from the chocolate wrappers, etc. Ganga was very happy. Today her brother and his wife are coming to Ganga's house. They live in the city. Everyone was very happy because of their arrival. After a while, Bhabhi asked, "Where is the toilet?" Ganga told that there is no toilet in the house. Bhabhi was not ready to defecate in the open. Bhabhi's point of view was that we do follow parda system in and outside our homes. Then now could we defecate in open? This is not a good thing. After listening to the daughter-in-law, Ganga's grandfather says whatever she is saying is right. Today only call the laborers and build a toilet in the house premises. Nowadays, government also provides financial help to build the toilets. Seeing the construction of toilet in the Ganga's house, all other people in the village also started to build the toilets in their houses. Discuss and write the answers. Ganga's Bhabhi says that when we follow Parda system inside and outside our homes, then how can we go for defecation in the open? In your opinion, what is the relevance of this statement? Question number 2. What will be the adverse effects of open air defecation? Number 3. Are there any people in your locality who go for defecation in the open? What advice would you give them? Those who do not have their own houses and they live in tents or sheds, what arrangements of toilet should be there for them? ये देखो क्लीनिंग मशीन की पिक्चर है. चैप्टर रीडिंग के टाइम एक्सप्लेनिंग के टाइम बताऊंगी मैं आपको. Why is it necessary to wash our hands with soap after going for defecation? Look at the above figures and discuss the following points. Which equipments the cleaner is holding in figure 4.3? What will be the effect on cleanliness if proper cleaning equipments are not available? Cleanliness must be our habit, not show off. Ganga's brother and her sisters-in-law had returned after travelling from Chandigarh. They showed Ganga lots of photographs from places of their visit. Ganga noticed that all the places were very neat and clean. Now she started thinking that our houses are relatively small and are not so clean. Her brother's friend at whose place they stayed in Chandigarh was planning to visit Ganga's village for some days. Ganga thought that when he will see our small house, he may not like it. She talked to her Bhabhi regarding this. Her Bhabhi was mature. She explained Ganga that size of the house does not matter. The only important thing is cleanliness. Furthermore, cleanliness should not be done to show off or to impress others, but it should be a part of our habit. Think and answer this. Answer the following question. Cleanliness must be a part of our habit. What is your opinion regarding this? How should we behave with the person doing cleaning work? What type of image will our country have if our village cities are not clean? If our houses are not clean, how will it affect our lives? ये लास्ट पेज है. The person who maintains cleanliness is the best, not the one who spread trash. On the explanation of her brother's wife, Ganga and her friends prepared some resolution to make cleanliness their habit. We will not throw papers, pencil shavings, toffees, wrappers, etc. in our class. We will not write and spoil the furniture, walls and floors. We will neither spit or throw litter everywhere. We will bath daily and will wear clean clothes. We will stop using bags which are made up from polythene. We will contribute in the cleanliness of our street, houses, schools and other public places. Whenever we visit to buy vegetables, grocery etc., we will always carry the cloth bag along with us. Special क्या है देखिए. Whenever anyone went to Gandhiji's ashram, she was first of all given a work to clean the toilets as a part of daily work. If he completed that work satisfactorily, then only any other work was assigned to him. The reason for the same is that Gandhiji always gave utmost importance to the tidiness and cleanliness. Today in our country, Clean India Mission has started at a national level. Emphasis is given to the fact that roads, stations, bus stands, etc. should be clean and there must be a trash can in every household. Along with this, a proper disposal of the trash through recycling is essential. We learnt and हमने क्या सीखा? Cleanliness is necessary to stay healthy. We should maintain our cleanliness of our own. Cleanliness should not be maintained to pretend but should become our habit. We should use toilet and should not go for open defecation. चलिए अब आपको आज का होमवर्क बताती हूँ. हाँ, तो ये है आपका होमवर्क. देखिए ये आपका न्यू चैप्टर है तो आपको न्यू पेज से करना है और डेट मैंने इस पर 24 लगाई है. आपको जिस दिन आप ये वर्क करते हो जिस दिन आपको ये वीडियो मिलता है उसी दिन की लगानी है. टोटल 15 स्पेलिंग्स दे रही हूँ मैं आपको. इससे आगे भी आपको मीनिंग से मिलेगी तो आपको इनको ख़त्म नहीं करना है. जहाँ तक मैं डाली है उतनी करनी है और उसके आगे भी मैं आपको डालने वाली हूँ अगली वीडियो में. ओके, देखिए कौन कौन सी स्पेलिंग है. सेलिब्रेट यानी जश्न, क्लीनिनेस यानी स्वच्छता, मिशन यानी मिशन, कंपेन यानी अभियान, फिर है पार्टिसिपेटेड यानी भाग लिया, एंथुसियाज्म यानी उत्साह, कंप्लीशन यानी समापन, प्रॉमिस्ड यानी वादा किया, कंट्रीब्यूट यानी सहयोग, फिर है एक्सपीरियंस यानी अनुभव, चेंजेस यानी परिवर्तन, हैबिट्स यानी आदतें, स्टार्टेड यानी शुरू कर दिया, और स्ट्रीट यानी सड़क, लॉन्च्ड यानी प्रक्षेपण। ये सारी आपको लर्न भी करनी है यानी याद भी करनी है, और राइट यानी लिखनी भी है, वो भी अच्छी राइटिंग में। ओके, तो आज का आपका ये होमवर्क है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मैं ये चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। थैंक यू।